この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。
What do you think about humanity as a guardian of nature?
Well, lately, me and humanity are, well, at least I'm not getting along with humanity's inventions. Technology, not really on my side right now, gotta be honest. Kind of having a feud. But you know, I love humans. Wish they would return to nature, but we're working on it. Every day is one day closer.
But isn't it complicated? Isn't it a complicated relationship?
Oh yeah, like Facebook. You always talking about Facebook relationships. It's complicated.
It's complicated.
Just like Facebook.
Who uses Facebook nowadays?
Humanity.
Humanity. Lame.
That's why
anyway.
It's complicated.
Yeah, but we're not supposed to be talking badly about humanity because it's your birthday and the main focus is you, not about humanity.
Oh, thank
you. Yeah.